Hey you guys, how's it going? Eliza here from elizacabrera.com, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how to drop ship with no money, right? So like, is that even a thing? Absolutely, guys. You can definitely get started drop shipping with no money. The most important thing when it comes to drop shipping, right, which is why it can't, I would say, is a little tricky, is knowing if your product is quality, right? So if you haven't ordered the product, you're not gonna know. But let me just get into it, right? In order for you to drop ship with no money, you're going to want to use a platform that's not going to charge you any money and that allows you to get your money right away. So how are we going to do that? You're going to use platforms such as Facebook Marketplace, or you can simply post up the product in your social media page, right? Because once you start promoting in that way in Facebook Marketplace, or if you're posting it and promoting it on OfferUp or your social media page, let's say you create a page that you're only marketing whatever product it is that you want to drop ship or you want to try to sell, then the person has to contact you to buy, right? You want to make it so that the person has to contact you to buy, right? And Facebook Marketplace is great for this because what happens is the person is going to send you a direct message and you guys are going to have a conversation. So this is when you have to kind of put your negotiation skills, because in places such as Facebook Marketplace, people expect to meet up with people. Although now, because of the pandemic, right, I'm recording this video during COVID times, so it is actually a lot easier for you to tell people, I'm not doing meetups, I'm only able to ship to you. However, some people may want to meet up, but that's going to be the way for you to drop ship without having no money, right? Because in my last video I used this product too, but let's say you list this purse up on Facebook Marketplace. You bought it for, well, you're not buying it, right, because we don't have money. You're putting it up for $40, and somebody contacts you and asks you, hey, is they available? You're gonna respond to them and tell them, yes, please send me the money. I will provide you with the tracking number, right? That's the only thing. The person has to give you the money, but you just let them know as soon as it's shipped, I will provide you with the tracking number. You know what I'm saying? Make them feel comfortable that you are going to provide their product, because that's the only thing, is helping people feel comfortable with trusting you, giving you money up front. And it can be done. It's not something that, it's not that it's impossible. It's just expect some no's, because I tried it before personally, and people will tell you no. Some people just, they're not comfortable doing it. Obviously, it's the internet. But some people will send you some money, right? So that is the way you can get started without spending any money on drop shipping, guys. Use those platforms such as Facebook Marketplace, or simply upload it on your social media and have the person contact you directly. Also OfferUp as well. Again, those are meetup sites, but right now we're in the pandemic, so it's easy for you to say, I'm not doing meetups, but I will absolutely ship it to you. Or you can just, let the person know, I don't do meetups. I only ship out products. I will provide you with tracking number. If I don't provide you the tracking number within, just let them know I have other products I have to ship out. I'm doing it in 2 days, right? Because you don't know when the company is going to provide you with that tracking number. So use those words, you know what I'm saying? Find creative ways to have this conversation with this person so that they can trust you, and then they can send you their money and their shipping address, and then you're going to do exactly what you would do with any other product. You're now going to have that money, so you take that money, you go to wherever you're getting the product from, Walmart, eBay, or whatever vendor it is, and process it the same way you would with any other drop shipping, guys. I hope you found this useful. Listen, if you're interested in learning more about drop shipping, I actually am a part of this amazing Facebook community group where they're going to give you exactly what to sell, where to sell, how to sell. This Facebook group is broken down with so much good stuff, guys. If you're interested in getting that, make sure you check out my link down below. I'm doing a discount right now where you could get into the group for $97. I paid $200 to get into the group, and I'm giving you guys access for $97. There's so much money in that group. If you're interested in joining, go ahead, you click that link, send me a text message if you have any questions about it, and I will see you in the next video.